Let me show you something really quick, okay? Now, if we search nursery rhymes on YouTube and look at the videos, now we're not looking at the old videos. You can see these ones here. They've been uploaded like since 3 years ago, 8 years ago. This one has 1 billion views, 29 million views. Let's trim it down here to the latest. Okay, so we are streaming down by 1 week. The latest video uploaded in the past 1 week. And look at this channel right here. This one was uploaded 6 days ago, but it has done about 364,000 views. Okay, look at this one here. 82 days ago, it has done 86,000. Okay, just take a look at this one here. 1 day ago, and it has done about 351,000 views with just 8,000 subscribers in just 1 day. That is in just 24 hours. Okay, now let's look at what these channels actually earn. This children channel, how much do they really earn? So searching up on Google how much kids channel earns. So you can see that they earns between 0.5 to $3 per thousand views. Okay, now, so using this kids channel here, this particular channel with with these low subscribers as a case study, 351,000 views in just 24 hours. And now let's use about $3 here times, okay, 351,000 views per thousand views. If you divide 351,000 by 1,000 views, you have 355 times 3. Remember that $3 varies per location, so sometimes it will be more than $3. Okay, so let's calculate. We have about $1,053. So this particular video right here, 12 minutes video, has earned about $1,053 least for this channel owner. And this person could be rolling out more and more videos. Now let's look at the channel. Let's see how many videos they are rolling out. So you can see that this person uploaded a video 1 day ago and another video 4 hours ago. So this person typically upload a video every single day. All right, now let me show you how easy this kids channel are to make. So basically we need 4 tools. Now the first thing is you go to ChatGPT and give it a prompt. You can ask AI or just comment AI, and then I'll send you the pre-prompt. That pre-prompt, you paste it on your ChatGPT. All you need to do is to be entering the title of the video. So let's say I'm entering these titles for this video, and then I hit send. And then the moment I hit send, now ChatGPT is going to generate both the lyrics for the songs, the scene by scene animation, and then the prompt that you're going to use to make the music for the videos. So these are just music videos, okay? So as you can see, ChatGPT generated the lyrics of the videos now, and then the scene by scene prompt, and then the video descriptions and the video tags and the thumbnails tags. Now, first thing we're going to do is to copy the lyrics. Where's the lyrics? So here's what you're going to do. Copy the lyrics here. Then you come to Suno application. Let me show you how Suno looks like. Or I'm holding my phone here. So you paste it on Suno and generate the music, the nursery rhymes for free. Then that's the second app that we're going to use in ChatGPT, then Suno. Generate the music for free. Now, when you generate the music, then you come to Flow. You go to Flow. I'm going to just go to Flow. You use Flow to generate the images and also convert the images to video. Alternatively, you can generate the images for free on Flow and then use YouTube Shop to convert it, or use Grok, or use any of the video generation platform that you know, but you can still do the same on Flow right here. Now, and then you come to CapCut right here to join those video clips and the music together. Then you go to YouTube Kids and upload. Now, since these kids cannot search for videos because they are too little, who searches for the video for them are their parents. So YouTube automatically recommend the video and instantly or definitely gets viewed, tag or without tags. Just put the title right, make sure that it's made for kids, and the views will roll in. Just as simple as that. Comment AI and then I'll send you the free guide.